Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I don't know what to call this. Twisted circle, twisted ellipse. And if you will take a screenshot of that right there, let me get out of the way of the page size. If you'll take a screenshot right there, you need to end up with this. But this is what you need to do. I'm going to take an ellipse. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring it in, and that's going to bring it in from the center. Now I'm going to go ahead and group those two together, Control G. I want the next one, so I need a Control D, but I want the next one right on top of that line, just like that. Now, there's two trains of thought on how to get a line from here to here. Draw a straight line holding down the control button, and then grab it pretty close to where you want it to snap to. And you don't want any excess. Or, if you feel pretty comfortable, you can just take, you want to kind of go lower in the quadrant. You just don't want any overhang or double line. Now, if you can see, this line goes through here and stops there, but we need to cut that little bitty part out. Then on this side, we need to cut that part. And then this one goes here and here. That's all it is. Now, let's set our nudge factor on something pretty big. Yep, 10 inches will work. Then take the Smart Fill tool, any color. I'm going to try the light blue this time. Fill that in and nudge it over. Fill that in and nudge it over. And then grab that bottom one. And this is where you can, your imagination can help you what you think it ought to look like. Interactive fill tool. And let's put dark on both ends of it this time. And then grab this one. And we really want dark kind of down in there. So we're going to go from left to right. And we're going to put dark in this one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now, you can change that looks pretty cool within itself, but if you will select it all and grab right here to get your skew, and you can kind of skew that up, and it'll completely change the look. And if we take I actually got a little bit of that line, take our black box and extend it over, it looks pretty cool. Now, on this one I went from orange to light, and then this one I went from orange to dark, where this one I did dark on both ends. I think it really adds to it. And you could still change that by picking this and getting back to your interactive fill tool. You could probably bring this down into here and bring this up, and yeah, it almost takes away from that other part too much. But you get the idea. Anyway, hope that helped. Kind of a fun project. And you could still squish it even more to make it totally look different. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.